Imagine an AI assistant that actually works directly inside your command line. To set this up, you need a paid Anthropic account. That means an active Pro, Team, or Enterprise subscription, or established API access. The free Claude.ai tier will not work for this tool. For macOS and Linux users, your standard terminal is ready to go. But if you are on Windows, you must open PowerShell, not the legacy command prompt. Check your screen. If you see a PS before the C drive path, you have the right environment open. Verifying your account tier and terminal environment right now eliminates the two most common installation failures before you even type a command. We are going to use the native installation script. It is the official method because it skips third-party package managers, requires zero outside dependencies, and handles its own updates in the background. If you are on a Mac or Linux machine, paste this exact curl command into your terminal and hit enter. For Windows users in PowerShell, copy in this specific IRM command and press enter. The script will quietly download the correct binaries for your operating system and extract them into your local directory. Stop right here. Do not type anything else yet. Completely close your terminal window and open a brand new one. This forces your operating system to refresh its internal path variables. Without this reset, your system will not know where the newly installed application lives, resulting in a frustrating command not found error. Relying directly on the native script ensures a clean installation that stays updated without requiring any extra maintenance on your end. With your fresh terminal open, type Claude Doctor and hit enter. This runs a built-in diagnostic test. It checks your network connectivity, confirms your system path is routing correctly, and verifies the overall health of the installation files. You want to see a clean row of green checkmarks. Those indicate your local setup is completely functional. If typing Claude Doctor returns a command not found error instead, your system hasn't refreshed its directories. Close the window and try restarting the terminal one more time. Systematically proving local system health right now ensures you won't misdiagnose a simple file path issue as a complex API or network failure later on. Now, type the word Claude and press enter to start the secure OAuth authentication sequence. In a standard setup, this automatically launches your default web browser and directs you to Anthropic's secure login portal. If you are running inside a strict enterprise firewall or a WSL environment, the browser might not open. In that case, simply press the letter C on your keyboard within the terminal. That key press copies the secure authentication URL straight to your clipboard, allowing you to manually paste it into whichever browser you prefer. Once you log in, the terminal drops you into the active command prompt, ready for your first request. This authentication step successfully tethers your local command line environment to your specific Anthropic account, applying your paid usage limits and billing tier directly to the agent. Before you start coding, type /model. This command lets you instantly swap out the active AI brain powering the agent. You will see Claude Sonnet selected by default. This is your cost-efficient daily driver, balancing speed and capability to handle about 90% of standard feature work and refactoring. Below that is Opus. Reserve this for times when you hit a wall, need to map out complex architecture, or require massive cross-file logic rewrites. A highly effective workflow is to use Opus to write out a detailed architectural plan and then hand that plan down to Sonnet to mechanically execute the code. Finally, there is Haiku. This is your high-speed option, perfect for reading massive log files, renaming variables, or making simple script tweaks. You can navigate this interactive menu and switch between these tiers instantly using the arrow keys on your keyboard. By matching the specific model to the complexity of your current task, you maximize your development speed while strictly managing your token budget. Your environment is now fully configured. The CLI is healthy, your billing account is securely linked, and your preferred model is active. To test it out, navigate into an existing local project directory in your terminal. Type Claude and hit enter. For your first instruction, ask it to read the project's README file and explain how the repository is organized. As it reads the files and returns a summary, you have proven the setup. You now possess a functional, context-aware assistant sitting right in your terminal, ready to be expanded with advanced server integrations and custom tools.